2024, and we were Socialist Republic.
Distinguished guests, awardees and attendees, first of all, let me congratulate all the winners for the excellent work you've done. You've come through a really difficult, critical point in our country, and I'm sure for your businesses, and what you have achieved is truly commendable, and I'm really pleased to have been here today to share with you your journey and what you have achieved. So congratulations to everyone, and thank you for the hard work and for staying with us through this, what would have been a very difficult period. So I'm really happy to be here today at this prestigious occasion, the National Industry Brand Excellence 2024 Award Ceremony. Tonight, we gather not just to celebrate achievements, but to recognize the vision, perseverance, and innovation that drives our nation's industrial growth. As you know, for our government, promoting and protecting our industries, our local entrepreneurs, this is a key part of our economic plan. And here with us today, you are our partners. You are the future of this country's economic recovery, and we are really pleased to see you performing so well. This remarkable event is a testament to the unwavering commitment of the Ministry of Industry and Entrepreneurship Development and the Industrial Development Board in fostering a thriving, competitive, and sustainable industrial sector in Sri Lanka. I am very sure that under the very able leadership of our Minister, Sunil Handunhetty, you will get all the support that you need, and you will get the leadership and the inspiration that this sector so badly requires. Our goal has always been to cultivate an environment that supports our local entrepreneurs, strengthens our industries, and propels our country towards a more robust and self-sufficient economy. In an ever-evolving global landscape, where challenges are as dynamic as opportunities, industrialists and entrepreneurs have showcased extraordinary resilience and adaptability. The National Industry Brand Excellence Awards are not just accolades, they are a recognition of the relentless effort, creativity, and determination that each of you has demonstrated in shaping our nation's industrial sector. Today, we acknowledge the significant contributions made by small, medium, and large-scale enterprises that have excelled in their respective fields, and it was really encouraging to see the diversity of areas in which you're involved in and the diversity of work that you're contributing to. A total of 108 winners were selected and awarded 111 prizes, which is really encouraging to witness. These businesses not only contribute to economic growth, but also play a pivotal role in job creation, innovation, and sustainable development. In Sri Lanka, women in industry and entrepreneurship have made notable progress, and I noted that many of the award winners were in fact women, with increasing representation in sectors such as manufacturing, agriculture, and information technology. It is inspiring to see so many women being recognized today for their achievements. Their success stands as a powerful example of their resilience and determination, having navigated a journey that was far from easy. During the progress made in sectors like manufacturing, agriculture, and information technology, challenges such as limited access to capital, cultural barriers, underrepresentation in leadership, and gender-based disparities still persist. Women often face constraints due to traditional gender norms and family responsibilities, and they remain underrepresented in high-value sectors like technology. Despite these barriers, with continued support, Sri Lanka can further empower women to thrive in industry and entrepreneurship, and you are leading the way. Our country has faced immense economic hardship in recent years, impacting industries, businesses, and livelihoods across the nation. In such times, it is imperative to prioritize the development and encouragement of local knowledge and enterprise. Strengthening our domestic industries will not only drive economic recovery, but also reduce reliance on external markets, foster self-sufficiency, and create opportunities for homegrown talent. By investing in local expertise, innovation, and entrepreneurship, we can pave the way for a more resilient and prosperous future. We want to brand Sri Lanka as the next destination for hope, for prosperity, for happiness, and I think all of you are contributing to that. In the 2025 budget, the Ministry of Industry and Entrepreneurship Development has been allocated 1.5 billion Sri Lankan rupees. The primary goal is to enhance infrastructure, stimulate in the industrial growth, and foster entrepreneurship across key sectors. Additionally, the government has set aside 3 billion rupees to accelerate the development of the digital economy. This initiative includes plans to increase the ICT industry's annual export revenue. These measures are designed to create a more conducive environment for industrial development and entrepreneurship across various sectors. A strong industrial foundation is crucial for the progress of any nation. Industries are the backbone of the economy, empowering communities, strengthening supply chains, and enabling Sri Lanka to compete in international markets. Through strategic policies, technological advancements, and unwavering dedication, we can and will position Sri Lanka as a hub of industrial excellence. As we move forward, our focus must remain on the sustainable industrialization, and I was particularly encouraged by some of the initiatives that won awards today that have taken this issue of sustainability and the green economy to heart. One that balances economic progress with environmental responsibility. The government is committed to supporting industries that innovate, embrace green technologies, and contribute towards a more sustainable and inclusive future. Our collective responsibility is to ensure that Sri Lanka's industrial sector flourishes in a manner that benefits both current and future generations. Dear award recipients, your journey does not end here. It is only the beginning of a new chapter, one where you will continue to inspire, innovate, and lead the way for others. Let us strengthen our collaborations, foster a culture of excellence, and continue striving for greater industrial success. The Ministry and the Industrial Development Board remain dedicated to providing the necessary support and guidance to help you reach new heights. Let this recognition serve as motivation for all of us to contribute towards a thriving and prosperous industrial sector. Once again, my heartiest congratulations to all the winners here today and to all of you who have contributed to make this event a success as well as to strengthen our industrial sector. I wish you all the very best, and I'm confident that you will continue to inspire us and continue to be a leader in our search for industrial excellence. Thank you, and I wish you all continued success.